Welcome. Today in this class we are going to talk about participants of commodities market. So who are the participants of commodities market? The traders who take part or who are the elements in the commodities market are termed as participants of commodities market. Generally we have four types of participants in the commodities market, namely hedgers, speculators, arbitrageurs and investors. All of them have a crucial role to play in the commodities market. Firstly, talking about hedges. Hedges are participants who use commodity derivative instrument to hedge or eliminate the price risk associated with the underlying asset held by them. So here hedges keep on monitoring the prices that are traded in the commodities market, and whenever they feel that this price is comfortable with them, then they will sell their futures contracts. So the main purpose of hedges is to get out of risk, that is risk related to the price by entering into the futures market and getting out of the risk. Here hedgers are generally the businesses or individuals who at one point deal in the cash commodity market. Next, we have speculators. Speculators are participants who bet on future movements in the price of an asset, therefore commodity, to make short-term gain from the price movements. Speculators are only the middlemen who are never interested in actually owning the commodity. They will just buy from one end and sell it to the other in anticipation of future price movements. Next, we have arbitrages. Arbitrages are those group of traders working at making profits by taking the advantages of existence of difference in prices of same product across different markets. For example, there is a particular commodity whereas its price differs in multi-commodity exchange and national commodities and derivative exchange. So an arbitrages enter into the market and takes price advantages of this. The last category of participants in the commodities markets are investors. Investors are the participants having a longer term view as compared to speculators when they enter into the commodities market. The examples of investors in the commodities markets are farmers, producers, consumers, etc. Here, the investors wait in the commodities market for a longer duration and wait till they get the profits or the trade is executed. Our next topic is commodity exchange. So, a commodity exchange is an association or a company or any other body corporate organizing futures trading in commodities for which license has been granted by regulating authority. Commodity exchanges are transaction hubs and depots for physical goods. So ultimately, a commodity exchange is a place where trading occurs. So, to understand, a commodity exchange is an association or alternatively a company as well as a corporate body which organizes trading in commodities or which facilitates the traders to trade in the commodities market. Earlier, commodity exchange was more likely an open marketplace where traders would call their bids and purchase commodities. But at present, the commodity exchange is different. Commodity exchanges now usually trade futures contracts on commodities, such as trading contracts to receive something. For example, let us take the example of corn. In a certain month, a farmer raising corn can sell a future contract on his corn, which will not be harvested for several months, and guarantee the price he will be paid when he delivers. So at present, the commodities exchange runs in this manner. Let us now understand about the Indian commodities market. Looking into the history of Indian commodities market, in India, the commodities market were in existence from decades. However, the government of India had banned forward contracts on commodities in 1975, but fortunately in 2003 the government decided to allow forward contracts in commodities. There are several existing regional commodities exchanges all over the country. However, these exchanges are commodity specific and have a strong regional focus. The government, in order to make commodities market more transparent and efficient, accorded the approval for setting up of national level multi-commodity exchanges. Accordingly, at present, there are 6 commodities exchanges which are as follows. Firstly, talking about the multi-commodity exchange, which is one of the major commodity exchanges of India located in Mumbai. Secondly, National Commodities and Derivatives Exchange located in Mumbai. Next, National Multi-Commodity Exchange located in Ahmedabad, and Indian Commodity Exchange ICEX located in New Delhi. ACE Derivatives and Commodity Exchange Limited, Mumbai, and at last we have Universal Commodity Exchange Limited in Navi Mumbai. As per your syllabus, the top 3 national commodity exchange are very important from your exam point of view. Now talking about the multi-commodity exchange. At present, multi-commodity exchange is world's largest commodity futures exchange in gold and silver, and stands second largest in natural gas and third largest in crude oil. 85% of trading happens only in the 4 commodities, that are gold, silver, copper and crude oil. The multi-commodity exchange is Mumbai based and is promoted by Financial Technologies Private Limited. MCX allows trading on host of commodities ranging from bullion to grain. The multi-commodity exchange has become the first exchange in the world to launch futures on steel. Now looking into the important aspects of multi-commodity exchanges are as follows. The Multi-Commodity Exchange of India is a state-of-the-art electronic commodity futures exchange. Secondly, the demutualized exchange has permanent recognition from the Government of India to facilitate online trading and clearing and settlement options for commodity futures across the country. Thirdly, MCX offers more than 40 commodities across various segments such as bullion, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, energy and number of agricultural commodities on its platform. Next, the exchange introduces standardized commodity futures contracts on its platform. Next, MCX has been certified to 3 ISO standards including ISO 9001 is to 2008 Quality Management System Standard and ISO 14001 is to 2004 Environmental Management. Next, Multi-Commodity Exchange is an independent commodity exchange based in India. It was established in 2003 and is based in Mumbai. In terms of contracts traded, it was in 2009 the world's 6th largest commodity exchange. The exchange's main competitor is National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited. Next, MCX has several strategic alliances with leading exchanges across the globe. MCX COMDEX is India's first and only composite commodity futures price index. Next, so why is it the MCX so important? Firstly, it helps in diversification of risks. This means the price related risk can be diversified or can be shuffled. Secondly, helps to fix price easily. This means the multi-commodity exchange assists its traders in fixing or determining the price in advance. Thirdly, no transportation charges. Fourthly, why invite risk by investing in a metal company when you can trade in a metal itself? So these are the important things in commodities market. Next, talking about the second important National Commodity Exchange of India, that is National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange, NCDEX. This exchange was originally promoted by ICICI Bank, National Stock Exchange, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is nothing but NABARD, and Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. Subsequently, other institutional shareholders have been added. The NCDEX is most popular for trading in agricultural goods and metal commodities. Now, looking at the Important aspects of NCDEX we have National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited is a professionally managed online multi-commodity exchange. Secondly, the shareholders of this exchange comprises large national level institutions, large public sector bank and companies. Thirdly, NCDX is a public limited company incorporated on 23rd April 2003 under the Companies Act of 1956. Next, it obtained its certificate of commencement of business on May 9th, 2003. It commenced its operations on December 15th, 2003. Next, NCDX is regulated by the SEBI and is subjected to various laws of the land, like NCDX headquarters is located in Mumbai and offers facilities to its members from the centers located through India. The exchange as on February 9, 2012 offered contracts in 34 commodities. NCDEX, the country's second largest commodity derivatives exchange, has been listing contracts since 2003. Moving on to the third national commodity exchange, that is National Multi-Commodity Exchanges of India. This exchange was originally promoted by Kailash Gupta, an Ahmedabad-based trader and Central Warehousing Corporation. Subsequently, other institutional shareholders have been added on NMCE. So, NMC is popular for trading in spices and plantational crops, especially from Kerala and South states of India. Looking into the key aspects, the NMCE is regarded as the first demutualized online commodity exchange that has been established in the country. Secondly, it was incorporated on 20th December 2001 but began business operations on 26th November 2002. At last we have, it is zero debt company